Have you ever felt like something was missing, like you were capable of so much more? This feeling is the whisper of your untapped potential. Inside each of us lies a reservoir of power, waiting to be unleashed. Too often we settle for mediocrity, letting fear and doubt hold us back. But the truth is, the only limits we have are the ones we set for ourselves. Personal development is the key to unlocking this potential. It's about pushing past our comfort zones and striving to become the best versions of ourselves. So, what exactly is personal development? It's a lifelong process of self-improvement, focusing on our mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual well-being. It's about expanding our knowledge, developing new skills, and cultivating positive habits. Think of personal development as a journey, not a destination. Every step we take, every challenge we overcome, brings us closer to our full potential. Personal development empowers us to live more fulfilling lives. The journey of personal development can be challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. It's a transformation that happens from the inside out, changing not only who we are but also how we experience the world. We develop greater self-awareness, boost our confidence, and cultivate a more positive outlook on life. Obstacles that once seemed insurmountable become opportunities for growth. The journey of personal development is an investment in ourselves, an investment that pays dividends for a lifetime. To truly unlock your inner potential, this is a journey of self-reflection, of looking within to understand your values, beliefs, and motivations. Many of us go through life on autopilot, reacting to external conscious awareness. Take a moment to reflect on your life right now. What are your deepest desires? What brings you joy? Journaling, meditation, and spending time in nature are all powerful tools for self-reflection. Self-awareness is the foundation of personal development. It's about understanding your strengths and weaknesses, your values and beliefs, your thoughts and emotions. When you are self-aware, you can make conscious choices that align with your true self. Start by paying attention to your thoughts and feelings throughout the day. Embrace your imperfections, for they are part of what makes you unique. As you delve deeper into your inner journey, you will begin to shed layers of conditioning and societal expectations. You will start to uncover your true self, the person you were always meant to be. Living authentically means aligning your actions with your values. It means speaking your truth even when it's difficult. When you embrace your true self, you unlock a level of freedom and fulfillment that is unmatched. Our mindset, the lens through which we view the world, plays a pivotal role in our personal development journey. For years, many of us have operated from a fixed mindset, believing that our abilities are predetermined and unchangeable. The key to unlocking our true potential lies in embracing a growth mindset. This transformative shift involves recognizing that our abilities are not fixed, but malleable, capable of expanding with effort and dedication. It's about viewing challenges not as threats, but as opportunities for growth and learning. Instead of viewing difficulties as insurmountable obstacles, we learn to see them as stepping stones. Cultivate a mindset that nourishes our potential by challenging limiting beliefs and embracing new experiences. Embracing a growth mindset is a conscious choice, a daily practice of challenging our ingrained beliefs and embracing new perspectives. When we adopt a growth mindset, we become lifelong learners, always seeking new knowledge and skills. Setbacks and failures become valuable learning experiences, providing insights and opportunities for growth. One of the most powerful ways to cultivate a growth mindset is through the power of yet. A growth mindset fosters resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks stronger than before. While embracing a growth mindset is essential, it's equally important to cultivate a positive mindset. Our thoughts shape our reality, and focusing on the negative can create a self-fulfilling prophecy of limitations and negativity. A positive mindset doesn't mean ignoring challenges or pretending everything is perfect. Start by practicing gratitude. Each day, take a moment to reflect on the things you are grateful for. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out mentors, friends, and colleagues who uplift and inspire you. Remember, a positive mindset is about choosing to approach challenges with optimism and hope. Embarking on the journey of personal development requires direction and purpose. Setting clear, achievable goals provides the roadmap to guide your progress and measure your success. Start by identifying your core values, the guiding principles that shape your beliefs and actions. Translate them into specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Regularly review and adjust your goals as needed, celebrating your achievements along the way. Break down larger goals into smaller, more manageable milestones. Track your progress, acknowledge your achievements, and use setbacks as opportunities to learn and adjust your approach. Personal development is an ongoing journey of learning and growth, a continuous quest for knowledge and wisdom. Embrace a mindset of lifelong learning, always seeking new information, perspectives, and skills. Explore a variety of resources to fuel your intellectual growth. Engage in thought-provoking conversations with individuals from diverse backgrounds. The world is a vast classroom, offering endless opportunities for growth and discovery. Remember, knowledge without application is like a seed unplanted. Put what you learn into practice. On the journey of personal development, having a mentor can be invaluable, providing guidance, support, and inspiration. Seek out individuals you admire, those who embody the qualities you aspire to cultivate in yourself. Mentorship is a two-way street, requiring open communication, mutual respect, and a willingness to both give and receive guidance. Be receptive to feedback, ask clarifying questions, and actively implement the advice and insights your mentor provides. Surround yourself with a supportive network of individuals who believe in your potential and challenge you to grow. Personal development is not a destination but an ongoing journey of self-discovery, growth, and transformation. Embrace the concept of continuous improvement, always striving to become the best version of yourself. Cultivate a mindset of curiosity, openness, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. Make personal development a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Continuously seek out new knowledge, skills, and experiences that challenge you to grow and evolve. The rewards of this journey are immeasurable, leading to a more fulfilling, purposeful, and meaningful life. As you embark on the journey of personal development, one of the most profound transformations you'll experience is a heightened sense of self-awareness. This newfound clarity allows you to understand your strengths, recognize your weaknesses, and identify the patterns that have been holding you back. With this understanding comes the power to make conscious choices that align with your values and aspirations. As you gain a deeper understanding of yourself, you'll naturally develop greater self-confidence. This confidence will radiate outwards, impacting every aspect of your life, from your personal relationships to your professional endeavors. The journey of self-discovery is an ongoing process, a lifelong adventure of uncovering your true potential. Personal development impacts our relationships. Greater self-awareness and empathy make us better communicators. We become more compassionate partners and supportive friends. Effective communication is essential for healthy relationships. We learn to express needs and boundaries with respect. Empathy enhances our understanding of others' feelings. We become more compassionate and supportive. Personal development is essential for career success and fulfillment. Employers seek skilled, adaptable, and resilient individuals. Investing in personal growth develops problem-solving, communication, and leadership skills. We become more adaptable, resilient, and confident. Personal development aligns careers with passions and values. This leads to job satisfaction, productivity, and fulfillment. We've explored the transformative power of personal development, the importance of mindset, and the steps you can take to unlock your full potential. The time for action, my friends, is now. Don't fall into the trap of procrastination, of telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow, or I need to wait for the perfect moment. Life is happening now, and every moment is an opportunity for growth. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You are capable of far more than you realize. You have within you the power to create the life of your dreams, to achieve your goals, and to make a positive impact on the world. But this power remains dormant until you make the conscious decision to unleash it. Embrace the challenges that come your way, for they are opportunities for growth and learning. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone, to take risks, and to embrace the unknown. It is in these moments of discomfort that true transformation occurs. Believe in yourself, in your ability to learn, to adapt, and to overcome obstacles. Surround yourself with positive influences, with people who uplift and inspire you, and never ever give up on your dreams. The world needs your unique gifts and talents. It needs your passion, your creativity, and your unwavering commitment to making a difference. Don't let fear, doubt, or insecurity hold you back any longer. The journey of personal development is not always easy. There will be setbacks, challenges, and moments of doubt, but embrace the journey, my friends, for it is in the struggles that we discover our true strength. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. Each step forward is a testament to your commitment to growth and transformation, and when you stumble, as we all do, pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and keep moving forward. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. There are countless others who are also striving to live more fulfilling and meaningful lives. Connect with them, share your experiences, and support each other along the way. The journey of personal development is a lifelong adventure, a continuous process of learning, growing, and evolving. Embrace the journey, my friends, and watch as you unlock your full potential and create a life beyond your wildest dreams. Throughout this journey, we've explored the incredible power of personal development. We've delved into the importance of self-awareness, the impact of mindset, and the practical steps you can take to unlock your full potential. Remember, this isn't about becoming someone you're not. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. We've discussed the importance of setting clear goals, seeking knowledge, and embracing the guidance of mentors. We've also touched on the incredible benefits that come with personal growth, enhanced confidence, stronger relationships, and a more fulfilling career path. But the most important takeaway is this: the power to transform your life lies within you. You have the strength, the resilience, and the capacity for greatness to achieve anything you set your mind to. The journey ahead may have its challenges, but remember this: every obstacle you overcome, every fear you conquer, strengthens your resolve and brings you one step closer to your dreams. Don't wait for the perfect moment, the perfect opportunity, or the perfect set of circumstances. There will never be a better time than now to embark on your personal development journey. Take that first step, no matter how small it may seem. Start by setting aside just 15 minutes each day to invest in yourself. Read an inspiring article, listen to a motivational podcast, or simply reflect on your goals and aspirations. Small, consistent actions, compounded over time, will yield extraordinary results. Remember, this journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and never lose sight of your why, the reason that drives you, the vision that ignites your passion. The world needs your unique gifts and talents. It needs your light, your passion, and your unwavering commitment to making a difference. As you embark on this transformative journey, we invite you to join a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to personal growth and empowerment. Subscribe to this channel to stay connected and receive regular doses of inspiration, motivation, and practical advice. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, and network. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positive change, empowering individuals around the world to unlock their full potential. And to further support you on your journey, we're offering a free downloadable resource, The Path to Financial Independence. This comprehensive guide will provide you with the tools and strategies you need to achieve financial freedom, create abundance, and design a life of purpose and prosperity. Click the link in the description below to download your free copy of The Path to Financial Independence and take control of your financial future. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today, embrace the transformative power of personal development, and create a life beyond your wildest dreams. The world is waiting to witness your greatness.